Njoki. I'm an advocate for the service board, one of the advocates for the commissioners in the service board. This morning we are before the Court of Appeal in Kisumu, before Justice Kiage, Justice Professor Ngugi, and Lady Justice Mungi Ngugi, where we had filed an application seeking stay orders or maintenance of status quo, meaning that we were seeking that the service board as it is, the removal or process of recruiting new members of the service board be staged. This application that we filed was necessitated by an order made by Justice Radido in the Employment and Labor Relations Court in Kisumu, where he had held that the leave that we had sought in our application, in our judicial review application, was res judicata, as a result of which he discharged stay orders that enabled the county government, county assembly, and the governor proceed with the process of recruitment and replacing of the commissioners that had been removed, and we are challenging the process. So that what has happened today before Justice, before the Court of Appeal, is that the court has stayed the process of removal of the commissioners, so that the advertisements that had been placed in the media seeking for applications for commissioners, they are stayed, so that the commissioners that were serving previously assumed to be still in office by virtue of orders that had been obtained earlier by the Lady Justice Bahari. That's on 25th of April 2023. So for us as advocates for the service board, we are grateful to the Court of Appeal, and we are hoping for a good and quick resolution of this matter, because a lot of things are pending or in abeyance as we wait for now the determination. So that the court said we will have to wait now for the what we call the substantive judicial review before Justice Radido, for which we are filing submissions and we're waiting for judgment. So before that judgment, the process of removal is staged. Yes. Thank you.